If you are anything like me, you are juggling with different coding agents. One day you wanted to try Claude Code in the terminal, the other you opened VS Code to use GitHub Copilot. Or maybe you heard about the latest free model coming on OpenRouter and you wanted to plug it into your workflow. That's why I built Ptah, one interface, one single harness where you can manage it all. At its core, Ptah is a provider-agnostic meta layer. Simply put, this means we have built an abstracted agent harness where you can bring your own provider and coding plans. It is built on four distinct layers. First, we provide a single interface to manage all of your providers and subscriptions. This allows you to easily proxy your current requests to OpenRouter or whatever plan you're already using. On top of that, we map your tiers to specific model capabilities. Because not every task requires your most expensive model. Next is our agent harness. Here, you can delegate tasks and utilize your installed CLI agent, spawning them with full control through our MCP lifecycle tools. Finally, we provide an extendable plugin system. You get a set of orchestrations, skills, sub-agents, and pre-built comments designed to streamline your day-to-day development tasks. While our main agent runs on Claude Agent SDK, we don't stop there. Ptah automatically detects if you have existing GitHub Copilot or Codex integrations. It even recognizes if you have Gemini installed locally. By tapping into these native SDKs, you are able to utilize your existing subscriptions directly without any unnecessary wrappers or third-party proxies. The result is one unified harness where you can manage every single one of your subscriptions through a single point of control. Let's look at what you currently have access to through our agent harness. First, by bringing your own OpenRouter API key, you gain full access over a massive ecosystem of more than 200 different models. Also, through Moonshot AI, you can use your subscriptions or API keys to access Kimi K2.5 models and their entire Moonshot suite. The same applies to the GLM family. But here is where Ptah really stands out. We allow you to auto-detect your installed GitHub Copilot or Codex subscriptions, letting you proxy your requests through them directly from our unified interface. As we discussed, not every task requires your most capable or most expensive model. Because Ptah is built on top of the Claude Agent SDK, we leverage the three standard model tiers: Opus for heavy reasoning, Sonnet for everyday coding tasks, and Haiku for quick lightweight requests. Thanks to the abstraction we have built around our provider, you can now map these three tiers to any of your installed providers. This gives you total freedom to control exactly what you are paying for through your own provider subscriptions. One of the key frustrations I have had with CLI tools like Codex or Claude Code is actually the lack of oversight, meaning it's very hard to see exactly what the agent is doing in real time. When working with sub-agents, it even becomes more difficult to track the full execution path, which is essential for building your orchestration workflow and have a reliable one. That's exactly why I built a proper and usable interface for Ptah. Now you can check in any time to stop the agent, reset a session, and keep a precise of every bit of token and context you are spending. Ptah allow you to spawn background session using your existing CLI tools. It automatically detects the installation like Gemini or Codex, enabling your main agent to delegate tasks and maintain full execution control. Take this example. While your main agent focuses on authentication improvement, it can trigger background decision for Codex PR review or have Gemini generate unit tests. You can check the status, send follow-up instruction, or read the complete output at any time, all without distracting your main agent from its primary task. Getting AI agent to truly understand your code base usually require writing long tedious prompt to describe your tech stack and folder structure and so on. But with Ptah, we eliminated that entirely. Our setup wizard takes you and your coding agent from zero to total code base intelligence in just 4 steps. Our first step, we utilize high performance tree setter MCP tools to scan your directory structure and dependency graph. We then analyze and identify your project setup and architecture from our list of supported project types. Then we perform a live detection of your framework, whether it's Angular or React or any other framework. Eventually, we create an elevation plan that updates all of your context and system instructions, and we then pass all of this intelligence we gather to all of your connected coding agent, be it GitHub Copilot, Codex, or Claude Code, ensuring they all have the latest information we gathered from our wizard. Ptah has been shaped by the skills and workflow I developed over years of software engineering. If you are like me, working with TypeScript, teach stack for web or mobile development, I am sure you will find these built-in skills very helpful. They are completely open source. You can inspect the code, customize them, and truly make them your own. They have been essential in helping me build Ptah and my other projects, and I know they can streamline your day-to-day tasks as well. Ultimately, guys, I encourage you all to try Ptah for yourself. It has saved me an immense amount of time by eliminating the constant switching between coding agents and model providers, and I hope it eventually brings the same efficiency to your workflow.